A new business has popped up called OpenClaw Repair Service. Reminds me of mechanics. Used to be mechanics for cars. Today you need a mechanic for your freaking OpenClaw. Imagine how ridiculous that is. Whatever, since I'm getting a lot of requests for repairing broken OpenClaw, so we're offering a service called OpenClaw from broken to unbreakable. We don't just fix your OpenClaw, we transform it into a bulletproof setup that can never permanently break again. The way it works is like this. We give you a full repair, so you get your OpenClaw back up and running. You get Claw Launcher Pro, which is basically a tool that allows you to restore if it ever breaks again. So you won't actually need us once you get the repair once. Complete backup and then restore points, and then skill backups in case OpenClaw doesn't break but your skills do break. An instructional video and everything you need to stay running forever. So basically you pay this one time, you get the Claw Launcher app, which we talk about a lot on this channel. So where are you right now? Right now, OpenClaw is broken or won't start. You're probably getting an error in when you're trying to load the command line and you don't know how to fix it. Or it does work, but you have no agents, or it says something like disconnected at the top or incorrect authorization key, something like that. You're getting one of those errors. There's no easy way to maintain OpenClaw. There really isn't. Without Claw Launcher, I promise you, you will get stuck and you're finding yourself wasting time. Instead of automating OpenClaw, you are instead trying to fix it the whole damn time. So what's the point of a tool that's supposed to automate your life when all it's doing, it's literally making you waste your time trying to fix it? Imagine how dumb that is. That's like buying a 1890s car. You know, those black ones with big wheels that just literally hardly move. So where we're going to get you, you're going to have your OpenClaw fully repaired and running perfectly. You're going to have a Claw Launcher graphical user interface. That means you'll never have to touch the terminal ever again. Your skills will be backed up. You'll have a restore point right after we fix your setup. So if it ever does break again, you just go back. Just like Windows has system restore, your OpenClaw is going to have system restore. And you're going to be able to auto update. That's everything you get. It's not so cheap, but you only need to pay once, and you not only do you get Claw Launcher, but you're also going to get the ability to go back to that moment, to that very same moment where everything was working. Why this is different from other repair services for OpenClaw? The reason why really is because our repair service gives you something that keeps you running after it's repaired. Other repair services just fix it, fine, they'll fix it for you. I'm telling you, they will fix it. They know how to fix it, but they will not give you something that will keep you up and running. And that's what's sad about other services. Complete backup of your working setup, restore points so you can just keep creating these as you go along, so you will keep up with your OpenClaw setup, so that if it ever goes wrong, you don't have to go back to where we set you up. You can go back to a point where it was working and doing what you needed it to do. Other services make you pay again every time it breaks, so I guess they make a lot more money than us, but we don't care about that. We want you to have the future as well as the present. We don't give you manual terminal commands or anything like that. We give you an actual tool, and we're able to do this because we created Claw Launcher. So stop fighting your OpenClaw, let us fix it for you permanently. One payment, full repair, Claw Launcher Pro, backups, restore points, instructional video, and you'll never get stuck again. So you can actually start automating your time, your business, and start making money. This is an insane service. If I didn't know how to fix my OpenClaw, I would get this in a second, because OpenClaw is the future. It's going to make for you so much money, so much success, that you basically need it. Basically, it's going to automate your life and do things for you when you don't have time.